Deep breathing and diaphragmatic breathing are crucial for the lymphatic system and lymphedema. There are a lot of lymph nodes in the abdomen and in the pelvis, and all of the fluid in your lower body needs to make its way through the pelvis and abdomen to get out of that area and back to the heart. Deep breathing can help stimulate the lymph nodes and lymphatic vessels to encourage lymph fluid movement out of an area that is congested to keep everything flowing and healthy. It's also really beneficial for mental and overall health. My name is Kelly and I'm a certified lymphedema therapist and oncology physical therapist. In this video, we're going to go step by step on show the best way on how to do this breathing. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe down below for weekly new videos. You can also join us on Instagram or check out our website for more related content. So let's go through step by step on the best way to do this. You can be in any position, sitting, laying, or standing, but pick a position that allows you to be and feel relaxed. Try taking 3 to 5 breaths a few times a day. As you inhale, you breathe in through your nose. You can pause and hold your breath a couple seconds, then exhale twice as long through your mouth. So if we do this together, we can put our hand on our belly. You could also put one hand on your chest, or you can put both on your abdomen, whatever you prefer. You want to focus on your breath coming through and expanding into your belly or your abdomen rather than your upper chest. So if it's hard to tell, put one on each so you can make sure that this one's not moving and the bottom one is. If you have lymphatic congestion or lymphedema, the best thing also to do is try to gently press inwards on your abdomen. Nice and gentle, you don't have to press really hard, but this can help put a little bit more pressure on your abdomen to help stimulate the lymphatics further. So if we gently put our hands on our belly, and one up top if you want, gently press inwards for just that little pressure, and then we're going to take our breath in. So take a nice big breath in through the nose, expanding into your belly. Gently pause at the top, and then let your breath out slowly through your mouth. Good, let's do that 3 more times. So gently pressing in, breath in through the nose. Good, make sure you feel that belly expand. Pause at the top, and then let it all go slowly through the mouth. Good, let's do 2 more together. Breath in. Pause, and breath out. Good, 1 more breath in through the nose. Make sure you expand that belly, pause at the top, and then slowly let it all out. So to do this exercise, we're going to want to lay on our back. I prefer to do this laying down so we can keep our body fully relaxed. Someone can do this reclined in a chair, sitting up, whatever feels good. You can have your legs straight or bent. Again, the idea of this is that you are relaxed. From there, what I like to do is put our hands right on the belly, gently pressing inwards and with our hands. We're going to take a nice big breath. We want to feel the belly expand, but we want to keep some resistance with our hands. So it looks like this. You're going to inhale through your nose. And then as you exhale, try to everything relax. Another breath in for about 3 to 5 seconds. Breath in. Pause for a brief second at the top, and then let it all out slowly. And 2 more. Big breath in. And breath out. One more together, big breath in. And breath out. If someone's having a hard time
understanding, breathing into the belly. They can also put one hand on the chest, one hand on the belly, making sure that they're not feeling their chest hand raise, they're just feeling their belly raise. That'll help someone organize in their mind what's supposed to be happening to make sure that we're getting a lot of nice pressure in the abdomen, as that's going to help with our lymphatic system, putting pressure in there to get that stimulated and get some lymph flowing.
This breathing is also a great tool for your stretching routine or even your yoga classes. And let's just be honest, it's probably the easiest thing to work into your busy day for self-care. We talk a lot about lymphatic drainage and compression and exercise and doing all of these things, which are wonderful for your lymphatic system, but doing a few breaths like this throughout the day, it's probably the easiest. So it'd be something that someone should try to incorporate more routinely. Abdominal breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing, will help stimulate the deeper lymphatic structures. This will increase flow through the lymph or of the lymph through the vessels. A couple small studies have shown that exercises with deep breathing can significantly reduce heaviness and volume of fluid in an arm with mild lymphedema or swelling. Lymph fluid from the legs and lower body must pass through the abdomen to move back towards the heart. So everyone will greatly benefit from deep breathing, not only for decongestion of lymphatic fluid, but also for relaxation, mental health, dramatically increasing the elimination of toxins, and just boosting your immune system overall. So take 1 minute, a few times a day, and take a few breaths for your self-care. Thanks, everyone.